Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we've taken hair from both the sides and joining it with the rubber band, folding it once, then dividing all of the hair into two parts and then making braids out of it. After that we are going to fold the braids out as you can see in the video. After that we are going to take the remaining part and fold it again into the hair only. Then you can use any clip or clutchers to apply on your hairstyle. Here we've used this beautiful pin. Next we are taking a ponytail, underneath it applying a pin as you can clearly see. After that taking the remaining untied hair, folding it out into this voluminous bun with the help of this bobby pin, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are taking a ponytail, loosen it up a little bit and applying this pin underneath our hair. After that taking all of the remaining hair of the ponytail, tying it with the rubber band and folding it with the help of this black pin, and your hairstyle is completed.